Tara, let's study together. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Maria once again. Today we will be learning another lesson. We will learn present simple. The simple present or present simple is one of the verb forms associated with the present tense. It is commonly referred to as a tense. The present tense is the base form of the verb. I was pushed to make a video about this because many times I got confused how to use it properly. So let's study it together today. Example, I read, you read, they read, we read, she reads, it reads, he reads. I don't read, they don't read, we don't read, you don't read. He doesn't read, she doesn't read, it doesn't read. Do I read? Do you read? Do they read? Do we read? Does he read? Does she read? Does it read? I will be giving you examples. I work in London. She works in London. Do you play the piano? Does she play the piano? Simple present indicative. First person, I. In the singular form, I write. In the plural form, we write. Second person, in the singular form, you write. In the plural form, you write. Third person, he, she, it. He writes, she writes, it writes. That is in the singular form. In the plural form, they write. Simple present negative. First person, I do not write in the singular form. In the plural form, we do not write. Second person, you. In the singular form, you do not write. In the plural form, you do not write. Third person, he, she, it. In the singular form, she does not write. He does not write. It does not write. In the plural form, they do not write. That's all for today. I hope you have learned something. And let's always remember that God is with us in our present and our future. God bless. This is Teacher Maria once again. Tara, let's study together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And also, share it to your friends so that they will learn like you.